Hi everyone, I'm going to be straightforward with you, okay? Thank you so much for all of you who subscribe to my channel. Our channel reached 1,000 subs. This is such a gift for me and from all of you who subscribe to my channel and have been following my work. So thank you. I will have to mention this. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. To all the Filipinos out there that I'm sure a lot of you will love to know that I'm actually a Filipino. I've created some videos where I started speaking some Filipino language and then, just an expression. And then a lot of the Filipinos were surprised. It's like, what? Filipino? Okay. And I'm gonna follow you. It's like, okay, that's great. Again, thank you for all of you who subscribe to my channel that helped me reach 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Just a little background. I'm Joan Cabarrus and I am the singing sculptor here on YouTube. I am a polymer clay sculptor. Okay, well, let me rephrase that. I am a sculptor who is focusing on polymer clay at this time. Okay, I think that's clear because I don't intend to do polymer clay sculpting for the rest of my life. I would like to also try something else. I mean, my ultimate purpose is to help people and encourage people how to sculpt. So hopefully that the skills that you all can learn from sculpting can be applied to other areas of your life. The reason why I'm using polymer clay sculptures because it's so easy to use at home. So that's the beauty of polymer clay. That's why I'm very focused on polymer clay at this time. Part of my product line is called the Doggo Bake animal sculptures. So, and it's focused on polymer clay. I know for many of you, initially I was doing my sculpting work in Colorado. I was from Colorado. Well, this year I've experienced something drastically changed in my life. I went through divorce and sudden relocation here in Austin, Texas. Just for some of you who are curious why I haven't been engaging in my social medias, in my Facebook page, in my, anywhere, because that's that. I've been focusing on releasing the YouTube show that I created. It's called the Doggo Bake Show. It's a sculpting for beginners. So if you have not watched any of those, find the playlist. I created a playlist. It's called the Doggo Bake Show, and you will see I created 40 dog breed videos, and you will see. Just watch it for fun. You can binge watch all of it if you want to learn. Sculpting will not stop, that's for sure, and creating videos for you will not stop. It may slow down, but for now, please be patient with me, and this is all I can do for you. So thank you so much. There's 4 giveaways I'm going to do. 4 giveaways. First one will be two of the sculpting book set, the Doggo Bake book set and kit that I have. These are actually exclusive for my giveaways. This is the Doggo Bake book set. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. So inside it will have my 5 books in place. 4 Sculpey clay. It's a little kit here. This is to get you started. This is to help you get you started. There's that little information right there. And then you're going to get the Kitty Bake polymer clay. This consists of 20 cat breed projects to make. As you can see on the cover page, that's exactly what you will learn how to make if you follow the instruction inside. So I'm gonna show you how they look like. These books were designed and written by me. So when you have these books, you're also receiving my love for you. Yes, because I created this book from scratch, from me to you. Okay, so it's like that. For example, Bengal cat, it will show you how it look like, and it will show you how to, you know, form the body shapes of the body parts, and then it will give you instruction to put them all together. There's the 3 Doggo Bake books that I also wrote and created. These are the books that I use for my the Doggo Bake show. So if you follow, or if you go to my playlist and find that show, you will see how they look like. And then the last one for the book package is my DIY realistic book 1. So this was actually my very first book that I wrote. Same thing, I written and created everything, took pictures and everything. And I actually used my dog. That's my dog Peachy. This is my dog Peachy as my subject, and he was my model there. This book is a little more advanced, but even some of the beginners that tried this, they told me that the book is very easy to follow, and even the beginners can totally understand and easily follow the instruction. It's really good. So it's really good to have this as well if you know you decide to progress from a simple sculpture to a little more realistic pieces. My plan is to write the second book, but at this time, like I said, I made a huge drastic change in my life. The book writing has been delayed, so that's that. Now the second one is a custom pet magnet. As much as possible, I focus on dog pets because the name of the product line is Doggo Bake, so it's supposed to be for dogs, right? But if you win this contest for the custom pet magnet, okay, I'm going to create you a custom sculpture. It may not be very realistic. It may be just a simple one, as long as I'm capturing your pet's essence, but it's gonna go on this 3D printed base. Okay, so you will see there's that Doggo Bake logo in there and the website, and there's the magnets gonna go in there. So this is going to be very strong, very strong on the refrigerator. For the third sculpture giveaway that I'm going to give for you, is the size will be in between 7 inches to 8 inches size. Go to my website www.jfcrn.com and click the commissions tab, and you will see how I actually measure my pieces. So for the custom full figure piece, this piece is almost worth $1,000, possibly including shipping and handling. It may be more, it depends on how complicated it is, but that's what you're going to get. So for the book set, if you win one of this, okay, the book set is worth about $200. It's really good. These are very generous prices for you guys, as my gratitude for you for supporting my work. Take note, okay? Remember this. This is important. I will never ask for your bank account, any of your personal info, any of your money for this giveaway. None. So if you receive any mail or email from anyone that's claiming it's me and it's asking for your money, don't entertain it. That's not me. That's not me. This is a giveaway. I'm not gonna ask. The only thing I will ask you is definitely a destination address where to send your prize when you win it. So basically, when I create these pieces, I will be recording the process, and I will be recording myself creating them, and that's going to be for my next YouTube content. So just so you're aware that that's going to happen. So okay, let's start the criteria. I will let you know how you will join. So the first one, you must be subscribed here on my YouTube channel. Second, you must be residing in the United States. Unfortunately, that's all I can do for now to prevent a lot of issues with shipping. So to make it easier, I will do the giveaway within United States for now. So the third one, visit my websites. I have two websites. First is www.jfcrn.com, and the other one is www.doggobake.com. I will post those links down below as well, so you know how it is, so that you won't get confused, because if somebody out there will create a fake website, and you will be able to distinguish if that's mine or if it's some baloney website somebody created. So when you visit those websites, that's where you're going to message me, not here, so that I can easily sort out, okay? Sort out your emails. Next, when you visit my websites and you message me there, on the subject, put giveaway 2021. This will make it very easy for me to sort my emails out, because if you don't do that, your message might be buried with other emails that I get. I get a tons of emails in my email in regards to other sculpting matters. So if you want to join for all the three, please specify on the email as well that you want to join all three, okay? Please make it easy for me. The contest will start now as I release this video to you. As you watch this, message me right now, and then the contests will end on December 30th. So after I choose the winners, I will announce those winners on December 31st. For you to find out if you actually win the contest, I will put here the picture of your pet. So I'm not gonna mention any name, just the picture of your pet. And of course, if that's your pet, you will recognize that it's yours and you win. That's it. What else? If you have any questions, please email me. Go to my websites that I mentioned a while ago and you can message me there. Let's say the contests are done, and you didn't win, but you really want to obtain some of my books. You can find it worldwide. Just check your book retailers nearby and see if they carry my books. And if not, Amazon would be the best bet for you. Please help me spread the word. It's such a good energy to have. I help you, you help me, and that's really, really great. Thank you so much. And that's it. I am looking forward to see all your pets, and I'm excited to choose the winner for this giveaway. And I will see you again next Friday for the announcement of the winners, okay? See you again later. Bye.